goodbye. It's just no good to try, for we both know deep inside we cannot get along. We both tried to be strong, but everything went wrong. Maybe we don't belong. Help me to forget. I've tried so hard, and yeah, it's just hard to forget. We cannot get along. We both tried to be strong, but everything went wrong. Maybe we don't belong. Help me to forget. I've tried so hard, and yeah, it's just hard to forget. Cease to someone I'd rather not forget. With over 300 concerts, 18 albums, kakabilib, diba? Let's go back to the moment she first said hello with Raymond Banana. Hello, you haven't changed at all. You still have the same in your eyes, and when you smiled, I felt my heart beating fast, and I knew right then and there something that I thought was gone came back. After all these years, I realized that I still deeply care for you. Ilang beses na tayong pinaibig at binigyan ng pag-asa sa mga kanta niya. Let's fall in love again with one more try with Frenchie D.
Tell me why did we find each other, only to part ways in the end? Tell me how we learned to love each other, and tell me why do people have to change? Was it pride that made us drift away? Hurting words we should not even say. Hold my hand and look straight in my eyes. If we can say goodbye, then we're worth one more try. Champion of many classic Filipino songs, Miss Koo reminds us, beauty, a flower's beauty with bulaklak. Samyain muli natin ito with Miss Shereen Rehis. Ika'y may gulong ko at wala kang makaibigan. Puso mo ay may sandigan, bulaklak. Matatawi ang tiro, pagkapiyos mo ng talulot, ay ginhawa ang siyang dulot. Bulaklak, bulaklak, ang ganda ng bulaklak, ang bango ng bulaklak, dulot sa ating ay dala. Bulaklak, ang ganda ng bulaklak, ang bango ng bulaklak, dulot sa ating ay dala. Kung pinaibig niya tayo sa kanta, napaiyak naman din niya tayo sa long time ago. Tara na, and let's reminisce with Mr. Christian Bautista.
Why did it ever have to be this way? You promised me the moon, the sun, the stars. How come you suddenly see
namang love song na paborito ng lahat at nanalo ng grand prize sa isang prestigious song contest. Alamin kung bakit with Rachel Ango.
Met you.